All right, up next, Kapil Krishnan, the CFO of Manappuram Finance, now joins in for more on their numbers. But sir, first, before we get to your numbers, once again, the news that's actually troubling a lot of people right now is the demonetization of the high currency notes. To begin with, can you take us through what's the impact as you see it? I mean, what's the feedback you're getting from people, from your branches?
Basically we had to shut the branches for a day, and we have to deposit our cash also, which is in the branches in the bank, and get the new notes. So there will be some time before it's business as usual. That may take a week or 10 days. That depends on how the banks start disbursing the new notes. But on our disbursements, 50% are made by check. So customers always have the option of depositing their cash in their bank account and repaying through the payment gateway facility we have. So it is not that business is shut. Collections will be a bit slow. Gold prices are firm, so that's not going to hurt us. So we don't expect any significant adverse impact right now, though customers will be inconvenienced. But as I said, they have the option of repaying through the bank route as well.
All right. Now, so what proportion of your repayments generally come by cash? And secondly, if you look at your previous quarter results itself, the microfinance business has grown a bit in the proportion of total disbursements or total loan book as well. So what kind of risk do you foresee on account of the demonetization because of this?
So even the microfinance business has decided not to charge interest for 2 days only as the facility to enable the customers to arrange the new notes. And as I said, the whole thing should settle down in a week to 10 days. And the banks are giving new notes. People are getting the new currencies. So I think the RBI is not here to just stop everything. They're facilitating things. Banks are disbursing the new notes. We feel it should be back to normal in a week to 10 days.
Okay. So
and as
Go ahead, please.
No, I just wanted to repeat that the gold loan business has absolutely got no problem.
Okay.
As I mentioned already.
All right. So in terms of provisions, while you've maintained it sequentially on a Y-on-Y basis, it looks like quite a sizable jump. Your asset quality has been maintained. What's the trend you see for the rest of FY17?
Yeah, as you rightly pointed out, it's doubled because the book has also gone up. And we are doing standard provisioning now at 40 basis points, which is compared to 35 basis points as required by the RBI. And we expect to have no problem in maintaining this level of our gross NPAs.
All right, so let's get talking about the future then as far as loan book growth is concerned. Mr. Krishnan, last quarter sequentially your microfinance book grew by 27%, gold loans grew by 9%, and CV and home loans grew by 25-26%. What kind of trend can we foresee going forward?
Yeah, so over a 2 to 3 year period, we expect to continue to see 20 to 25% growth per annum. And this has been what we have been stating all along. Currently, as you know, the consolidated book has grown by 41%, and that has been helped by increase in the gold prices as well. So while we have de-risked our business from any fall in gold price, we continue to benefit from the rise in gold price. So depending on the way prices grow, our growth may exceed our expectations. And in terms of volume terms, we expect around 15% volume growth in the gold loan business.
All right. Mr. Krishnan, now your capital adequacy ratio, if you look at it, has come down year on year as well as quarter on quarter at 21.8%, still a fair amount of capital, but any plans of raising further capital going forward?
No, not at all. We are adding a lot of profit. As you know, in first half itself, we have done over 350 crores of profit. And that itself will fuel the comfort level on the capital adequacy. So we have got no plans at all at present to raise further equity. We are raising debt capital, as you know. Yeah.
All right, Mr. Krishnan, we leave it at that. Thanks very much for your time this morning. So clearly the word coming in from both the Jeevan and Manappuram Finance, temporary setback on account of the demonetization, but overall things should improve in the next week or so. All right, also news on the toll. This news has come through that they'll be free